It is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo and the card payment issue and refund issue. As far as this particular tutorial is concerned, there are a lot of things you need to learn about this particular tutorial, especially if you always source cheap product from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want to procure link on 168, Taobao or Pinduoduo or IDFish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import cheap products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Like I said, someone contact me on my WhatsApp. So let's get started. So someone reach out to me on my WhatsApp, just like what you see on the screen of this video right here. And hello, how are you doing? Please, sir, I really need your help. Can someone get back refund with bank card? This is just the question right here. The person called, I was not available then. Here, this is my response right here. Where did you use your bank card? Okay, it's now. I really want us to talk, please. I'm really stressed right now. I'm facing a lot of problems now with my Pinduoduo. Please help me out. Can you see the questions right here? Now, I said you can record voice notes, and I said you can record voice notes because I can't pick call at that time. Okay, now all of the items that I bought are all our drinks. So this is the voice note right here, and I'm going to play it right away so everyone can listen and learn something good from here. So I'm going to play it right here.
I'm looking from Sierra Leone. The thing is, I bought something from Pinduoduo using my bank app, and I bought wardrobe, but the wardrobe place on the suppliers delayed to deliver my goods, so I asked for a refund. But I hear that later on I find out that they said you cannot receive refund through by your bank app, through by your bank card, only by Alipay. Then I bought a lot of goods that I don't understand. Some are saying return the goods are returned. So that means they try to deliver it from to my shipping company address, but they said the address is wrong, so they need to return it again. All of my goods, that is what they are saying. Yes, so now all of my money right now they are in. I don't understand. I'm almost at the end of losing all of my money. So I don't understand the app that much. I only use 1688 before, and this is the first time that I bought something from people. I'm really stressed right now. Trust me.
All right, so what I wanted to say about this particular audio note here is that it's categorized into different things. The first thing here is that this person here does not have full knowledge of Pinduoduo shopping app. The second thing here is that they make payment with bank card. And the third thing here is that they had the shipping address in the wrong way. Now, when you had your address wrong way in Pinduoduo, the supplier will ship the item. Once they ship the item may get missing or get lost. And the problem here is that the problem might not be solved easily because the mistake is from you, not from the supplier. Even if you contact the buyer support on Pinduoduo, the seller will still win you. So it is always advisable that you have full knowledge of something before you go ahead and use the particular app. Then let's scroll down right here and then let's check on the further message. But I screenshot the address on Pinduoduo and I sent it to my shipping agent and they said it's correct. Now, this is another issue right here. If you screenshot an address to someone, just like what this person claimed right here, they will definitely tell you that it is correct because you are giving them the end result. And one thing about Pinduoduo here is that there is a way you need to add region and region, district. There is a way you do that. But when you are trying to add a region, you add a wrong region and a district region. This is exactly what happened right here. So by the time you completely had the address and snapshot as you claim right here, it will not show whether the address you had is correct or not, except if the person have full knowledge about using Pinduoduo. So your shipping company will just tell you that it's correct for as long as you are able to add the address, then that is the issue here. But the thing here is that you need to be sure of what you are doing before you can actually uh, contact someone to make a confirmation for you based on whatever you are doing. Now, what can I do now? So here, your shipping company can confirm that you are doing it right. But if you are right in the address, you will never experience this issue. So that is my response right here. What can I do now? Because all of my money is about to go waste. So if you don't want your money to waste, do this. Okay. So she now sent me the new address that was added right here. So this is the new address that was added. So for privacy purpose, I will not be able to show everything right here. Now this is another voice note right here. So let's play it and listen.
I have used that same shipping address because I noticed that Pinduoduo did not accept a lot of information on shipping address. So I copy the shipping address, the actual shipping address. I send it to them because first I was trying to send the shipping address, and they said the word will not be more than 100. So now someone directs me that those information that I put on the shipping address card, that is not the actual shipping address. I should put the information that was down there, and that is what I have just copy and paste it. Since I just translate it on my Google app. So I don't know. Maybe when I've changed this information, put the actual shipping address there. I don't know if there will be another issue, or they will send my goods on the same shipping address. Anything, please let me know.
And also, if you pay proper attention to this audio note right here, what this person tried to say here is that when they are trying to add the previous address, they had the correct districts and region. But in the body of the address on Pinduoduo, if you are very conversant with using of Pinduoduo, you understand what I'm saying much better. In the body of address, they fail to copy and paste the complete whole address. And this is why the goods get lost. So pay proper attention to this when you are trying to add address. It is very much important and very good. And it is very much important for everyone that uses Pinduoduo. So this is my response right there. Then another voice note for me. So I'm going to play it again.
I just add it, but it's the same shipping address information, but I mistakenly add the one that was up, that I don't understand what they write there. But later on, someone told me that that is not the actual address. The actual address was down, and because when I try to log to add my shipping address, it shows that the information was too long, so I mistakenly delete all the actual address, all the actual shipping address. Yes, so I mistakenly delete it. Now someone just told me that that is not the actual address. The actual address I just delete. I delete it. That is not the actual address.
You can see it right here. So pay proper attention. Do not make this type of mistake. Now, I'm trying to send the right shipping address to them, but all the items are saying that they don't want to send it, and after it returns again. Can I receive refund with my bank card without using Alipay? Because I only use my bank card to pay. Now, this is the uh, another scenario right here. So they make payment with bank card, and this is my response. Yes, but the refund may take up to 4 weeks before you eventually get it in your bank card. So if you need instant refund next time, use Alipay for payment. And this is another crucial area when you are trying to ship from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. I am not saying that you cannot use Master or Visa card, but the problem there is that if you have a refund case like this, it takes very much longer before you get your fund successfully back into your bank card. whether Visa card or MasterCard, because you are using foreign bank card. Okay, so that is for the payment with card in on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And here is the screenshot that they actually process the refund successful on Pinduoduo, just like what you see right here. This is 441.39 yen, and it has been fully delivered. But the money has not yet arrived into the bank card because they make use of foreign bank card to make payment. Assuming this payment was done with Alipay, they must have received the refund instantly into their Alipay balance. It's that simple. So this is what I have for you as far as Pinduoduo buyer need to so this is what I have for you as far as Pinduoduo buyer question, and at the same time card payment issue and refund issue about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to ship import products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. If you still have questions as far as this particular tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. And at the same time, you can also reach out to me on my WhatsApp for fast response to whatever issue you might have with your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.